Hi, today I'm going to experiment to melt the ice in deep fridge using fire in the deep fridge. First of all, I took a Harat Karpuram and placed in deep fridge and lighted it with 3 mango fire stick, and later I'm going to add sanitizer to that. Basically sanitizer is a flammable thing, so it's going to add extra flame to that Harat Karpuram flame. This so I'm trying to add it. Stunts are performed by trained artists only, so please don't try this at your home. So, after 2 minutes waiting, the ice didn't melt. So, please don't try experiments like this. So, the best thing you can do to melt the ice is just power off the fridge and ice will melt automatically.